Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer Limited and I will be showing you how to efficiently use the voice commands. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. Using the voice commands can be really handy, especially when you're driving in a high traffic. You don't have to push any kind of buttons on the radio or climate controls. All you have to do is just press this button on the steering wheel and you can do whatever you want on the radio, climate controls, navigation using the voice commands. Now, before I show you how to actually use it, there is one thing: you should probably learn all the voice commands. So to access the list of the voice commands, you want to press this settings button here on the main screen, and then you want to press help, and then you want to press voice command list. And now in this menu you will get the list of all commands to use. So for audio, to browse, for climate control, for this, global commands, media, navigation, and so on. So for example, if I choose audio, and now here are all the commands that this vehicle knows, and this is something you should remember, at least the ones you plan to use. Or the climate controls, same thing, right? AC on off, climate automatic on, climate help, defrost on off. So pretty much anything on this dashboard you can control by voice commands. Now I will show you how this actually works.
Please say a command.
Climate.
Climate, say a command.
AC on.
AC on.
And now, as you can see, I just turned the air conditioner on by using the voice commands. Now I will try to increase the fan speed. Climate.
Climate, say a command.
Increase fan speed.
Increasing fan speed.
Climate, set temperature to 22 degrees.
Did you say 22 degrees?
Yes.
Setting temperature to 22 degrees.
Okay, I will show you one more.
Please say a command.
Audio.
Audio, say a command.
Radio.
Radio, say a frequency or preset.
85.8.
89.8. That's not a valid frequency. Please try again.
95.1.
Tuning to FM 95.1.
Okay, and this is how you can use the voice commands on a Ford Explorer. Now it's quite easy to do. The main thing is you have to learn pretty much all the commands you plan to use, and then you can definitely help yourself while driving. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.